Hello, my friends. Guess what Ken did? He added a new show to our lineup. It is November 2nd and 3rd. It's Mesa, Arizona. Now, this is a show we've never done before. We're really excited about it. Now, we've been to Mesa, Arizona before, but this is a new show to us. It's called Rubber Stamp Events, and it is brand new to us. It's the first time we've ever been there. Now, let me tell you a secret. I'm not going to be there, but our booth is going to be there. Ken's going to be there. Faylene's going to be there. They're going to have all of our newest products there. If you're a club member, you get the club discount. And we need a good turnout. We need you all to go in flocks, go in just go and go check it out. Because if enough of you show up and you bring friends, guess what? That means I'll get to go next year. And I want to go. So go to this event. We're really excited about it. It's new to us. We hope it's a fantastic event, and it'll only be fantastic if you're there, so you better go. Club members, of course, you get the club discount in the booth, and if you're not in the club, Ken and Faylene will sign you up and get you going. So go check us out November 2nd and 3rd, the last show of the year. They will see you there. Bye-bye.